Everybody, it's me, and today we are just playing some Lifeboat Network. First time doing this, so I don't think this one is bed wars, so I'll be right back. What did I just do? I'll be right back. I think Miniplex is the bed wars. No. Okay, so Scholars, Cake Wars, Survival Games, Blood Hunt, Master Builders, Cake Wars. So, Cake Wars is pretty much the only thing that it looks like Bed Wars. So I'm just gonna join the blue team. I like blue. So I guess I'll just wait. So yeah. Don't interrupt the video, please. Whoever is coming in, game start. It hasn't started, so like, hey, okay, that was mine. That was whatever. What's in here? Nothing. So I need. Please. Where's the Z? Okay, whatever. Forget it. What am I doing? Why isn't this working on me? Oh, I'm getting 11. Okay, so let's see. Brick shop in iron helmet. 5 bricks. Wait, do I even have? So let's see. I have this and this. So I need more bricks. Oh, that's already 9? Oh, cool. So iron helmet, iron leggings, and iron boots. I only got, so let's see. All I need is iron boots. I'm gonna get iron boots and diamond sword. I don't think I could get that. Oh, an emerald. Hey, that was rude. That was my emerald. You are mean. Hi, are you Karina? Friends? Hi. Shift. Hi. Hi. Emerald, finally. So anyway, so I was gonna buy. Wait. Before I do that, I already have iron boots, so I'm not gonna waste money on that. I'm gonna get a diamond sword. Wait, no. Diamond sword. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff. Diamond sword, iron pickaxe. Let's see. 3 arrows, and let's see if I can get 20 wool. Okay, so I don't think I can get any more. Obsidian, 5 emeralds. I have enough for 1 obsidian block. Diamond sword, ender pearl, 5 emeralds. So I do actually really need an ender pearl. So yeah. Well, okay, that's weird. So just gonna come up over here, whatever this blue thing is. Okay, I don't know how to stay still. I just never play games like this. I think I should. I think I should just so I can't place this. So nobody's really trying to attack me, so I was like, oh no, I'm not sneaking. So I think I need more wool. So I'm still holding. Okay, so now I don't know if there's any cakes. So I could have just used purple bed, purple bed. Oh man. I need to do something that is not. Oh my god, what's in here? Nothing. What's over here? Think I should kill you. Oh, knocked her off the edge. Yay! With a diamond sword. I ran out of wool. What? I ran out of wool. No. Okay, I ran out of wool. So I'm just gonna. I have no choice but throwing my ender pearl all the way to death. Why? At least that did not teleport me. Can I break this? Oh, no! What? Help. Okay. I cannot. Help me, please. Okay, I'll just kill myself. And I'll respawn. I hope. Wait. Oh, man. Nothing in our chest. What about the ender chest? Nothing. So I just need to. God, there was 18 emeralds there. So I'm gonna get. What if? No, I don't have enough. No! What? I barely have anything now. So I'm just gonna get some of the iron chest plate, boots, and that diamond sword. So let's see. Yes. Now let's try to get us some iron pickaxe and 3 arrows. More arrows. What's that green thing? Emerald? Okay. Okay, so that platform does not work. So let me just get more of these. And I'll get this. And I'll get wool. And more 20 plus wool. And let's see. More wool. Okay, so I got a stack of wool. Let's see. I am kind of rich. Because I have 41 emeralds. What's this? Protection 1. Nether stars 4. Okay, so I'm going to put all of this. Okay, so I'm going to waste some of my emeralds. Tuna folding. What? Shears. Actually, I'll get shears and I'll get a golden apple. Another golden apple and more than one ender pearl because they might all land to death. So I need ender pearls. I think I ran out of stuff. Wait, let's see. How many I have 4 ender pearls. I need more emeralds. I got another star? That's so cool. Okay, so I need more ender pearls though. So for now, I'm gonna put nether stars in here. And this in here. And that over here. And this in here. So there. We are ready to go with whatever this yellow thing is. And it's kind of glitchy. This is the thing that I made. I could have died there. What does this do? Oops. I need my shears. That did not take long. What's this? Oh. Oh, my life could have killed me. That doesn't really make sense. What does this do? Can I It turned white. Okay, that's not a bad defense. I mean, oh, I won! I won! Yay, I won! Oh my god! I thought I was on the blue team though. What happened? Oh no. I hate when it's publicity. Okay, so, there we go. Who is this? Oh, right. I accidentally did this. No. Okay, so let's play survival games. I kind of like that game. Teams. Okay, so I got teleported. I'm just gonna click a lot of people. Let's click you. Click, 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 click. I accidentally did that again. So let's go to survival games. No. Oh, that's Skywars survival games. Survival game teams. Hello. So I am never gonna click that thingy, Steve, ever again. Oh man, dang it! Who is? That was so weird. I am very fast though. I got this and some eggs. So guys, let me close the door. I know there's like a lot of noise that you shouldn't be hearing. Why are I got more eggs to attack people or maybe to get chickens? I don't know. Nothing. Nothing. What? Oh, okay. THX. Thanks. That was so nice of him. Who did? Why are they killing me? That's not how you play survival games. Okay, I'll just, oh, what? Okay, I am glitching. I hate this. Okay. Okay, I am glitched up. I cannot do anything. I am dead. I don't know what to do. What the heck? Okay, hello. I'm glitching. Help me, someone. That was close. I don't think I have anyone in my team. Okay, that's weird. That is just weird. Okay, I'm glitched up. I got this and hey, you're taking everything. Hey, you. Get back here. Oh, she dropped a bunch of stuff. She even had arrows. You must die too. Oh my god, No! No! I hate this. Okay, so just gonna click a bunch of. Hey, he has my old thing, my old skin. I think I went back to hub. Ah, I hate this. Okay, so wait, what's that? Survival game. Okay. Okay, let's go to death tag. I barely play this game anyway. Turf Wars. Okay, this is like the only game we're gonna play. We're not gonna change the game anymore. So I'm just gonna click a bunch of people. Oh man, I'm glitched out. Oh, I hate when this happens. Okay. Okay, so what's the wolf for?